Thank you.
All right, thank you much. She and I are checking out cameras.
We're like getting
that
real close.
Dixon camera, the Columbia camera, Lawrenceburg camera, it's easy to see. At Dixon, when we're trying to find the fine snow in the darkness.
It's so hard because it is so fine in some spots, but then you got huge flakes flying, and if you haven't had anything yet, don't worry, it's on the way.
It is on the way. But first up, let's show you the Snow Watch map. And here we go. Coverall bingo. All counties, as you heard, all 95 county school districts are closed. And many of those who have city schools, they're out today as well. But it covers the entire News Channel 5 viewing area. The list right now, about 200. That entire list is at the bottom of the screen or can be seen on our website at newschannel5.com. Nikki D and I are going through a couple of the pictures that are coming in from our southern and southwestern areas. This is one out of Wayne County, out of the Lutz community, and Sherry Warrington sharing that with us. And boy, looks like she's got a nice little layer of snow on the ground down that way. Keep them coming. My5 at newschannel5.com. Or as the snow starts to fall in your community, let us know that too, because that's nice ground truth for us to match what we're seeing on radar. So for today, 32. For tomorrow, 33. Now, here's the deal. It's the snow today and tonight that's the issue. Tomorrow, cloud cover, but some leftover flurries, some leftover light snow showers. For today, the winter storm warning is in effect through tomorrow morning, right around daybreak tomorrow morning. So we head to that Dixon camera that Nikki D and I have been looking at. So in the darkness, hard to see, but I see some snow in the light here, and on this car, snow covered there. So snow showers continuing to invade the Mid-South. So with that, the entire News Channel 5 area under a winter storm warning today through daybreak tomorrow morning. Could be a little later in the morning for some of our eastern counties there, but there is the map. You got over 50 million Americans who are under winter weather alerts right now, and it's hazardous travel. Roads will deteriorate quickly as the snow showers continue to move in. So right now, this system is being fueled by this area of low pressure that will track across the Southland on the north side of it, spreading the snow our way. There's that rain snow line right now just south of Memphis. That's what we'll be keeping an eye on, especially for our southern counties, to see how much of that warm air could nudge in for a rain snow mix, or maybe mixing in with sleet. And Nikki D, that would cut into some of the snow amounts.
It would definitely change that direction. And even what has already fallen, if you were to get some of that sleet, it tends to dissolve it and eat it away. So it would be one of those situations that what you had once wasn't there anymore. But right now, we've got snow for everybody. This is thanks to our friend Doug over in Decaturville. And you can tell that is really starting to add up quite quickly. My other friend just over into Leoma sent this in. This is thanks to Michelle. And she said it looks to be around 2.5, 3 inches in some spots. Obviously, those locations getting the snow first before it continues to spread its way out. Now, I've got this in 3-hour increments, and you'll notice we're continuing to look at that snow areas just west of I-65 and south of I-40 as we approach around 7:30 time frame. It's going to continue to spread its way across the plateau and easing its way into Kentucky as we make our way throughout 10 o'clock, continuing to bring some snow showers even as we approach lunchtime and going into the afternoon. Now, by tonight, we'll still have some pretty hefty bands, especially across the plateau, but then they're going to start to thin out. We'll still have snow tomorrow, snow flurries, but the heavy bands will be taking place today. That line Leland was just showing you, that is that wintry mix south of Memphis. This is what another model is indicating, that we could get that warm nose moving its way northward, and that of course would transition the snow into a wintry mix, changing the amount that you do have on the ground. So we'll keep a very close eye on that. Areas that we don't have that, we're looking closer to 7+ inches. Closer to our Kentucky-Tennessee state line, you're going to actually be on the lower side if this track continues. That would have you still, though, 2-3 inches, with the bulk of it being right there in the center. And here's a look at some of our other model runs. You'll notice an additional 3 to 5 inches on that one. This one has slightly higher numbers as well as this particular model. So consistency has been pretty amazing to watch over the past week. Temperatures today, 32, but it's going to feel a little colder than that. Snow snow showers on and off. We'll watch that for that wintry mix transition in some spots. Snow flurries tomorrow, 33, 36 Sunday. We'll have a little bit of melting, but Leland, it's not going to do a ton because then we've got black ice Monday morning.
Yeah, black ice Monday morning. And again, keep in mind that even as you get a little bit of melting out there, temperatures refreeze, and especially with 18 Monday night, 18 again on Tuesday night.